what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group. And today, man, we got another video, man. Right now, man, I'm on the highway. You know what that means, man. We're getting into some shit, man. Today, man, in this video, I'm gonna be picking up some new seats for the E36. Yeah, it's kind of random. You know, I ain't really been paying too much attention to that car, man, but a good deal had popped up for some seats. So I'm about to go check them out, and hopefully I can buy them and take them back home, man, and finish my interior, man. I've been slowly like getting my interior back together. Yeah, I've been slowly getting my interior back together. So this will definitely help me get it probably about 85%. I still need to get the carpet clean and get some new door cards. But I replaced the headliner already. And I did my windshield. Yeah, there's only a few more things I want to do. So yeah, man, I'm gonna cut this camera back on once we get there and check out the new seats. So yeah, man, stay tuned, man. And if you haven't already, man, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. You know, like and share the videos. You know, if you guys enjoy the content. I've been trying to upload a lot more lately. You know, just trying to invest more into my channel. So yeah, man, do me that favor and subscribe, man. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, guys, so we just got to the spot, man. About to load up these wheels real quick. These joints is fire, man. I need these so bad. Passenger side. I think it's gonna do my E36 good. I'm about to load these up, man. Just want to show y'all. Got the new wheel, new seats. I'm so used to buying wheels, talking about new wheels. Alright, man, I'll see y'all in a little bit, man, when we get back to the crib and put these things in. Alright, guys, we just made it back to the house, man. So, it's another day. But same mission. So we got the seats here. Some seat covers on my interior, but these seats was dog, man. That was an M3 seats, but they are dogged out, man. And y'all already know we got the interior redone. The headliner. Brand new headliner. But yeah, man, I'm gonna set up the camera and we're gonna swap out these seats real quick. So stay tuned, man. Guys, we took out the busted seat. And now we got the new seat in. Ain't gonna lie, I think the color is off a little bit, man. Like, it's more, I don't know, but it kind of blends in still. Yeah, it's kind of like a different, like a tan instead of like a beige color, but now it's good to go. These are mechanical seats too, so everything is working. So alright, so we're gonna get the passenger seat in, and I'm gonna cut this back on once we get both seats in. I think it looks better than what it had before, so that's all that matters, you know what I mean? So alright, let me get the passenger seat in, and then we're gonna check it out. Alright guys, so all the seats are in. Passenger and driver seat in. I'm gonna take some time and kind of just clean out my interior, spray it down, vacuum it out. But yeah, man, this is the end of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram at K510 Automotive Group. Follow my car club at Batman Wagon on Instagram, and on all social media platforms you can find me at K510 Automotive Group. But man, like that, man, this video is over, man. Stay tuned for the next vlog. We're gonna keep dropping back to back. Yeah, peace.